Cook some sardine and rice. Buy 2 good sardine and cook some whole heap of rice and cook some sardine and rice. Well out with onion, tomato and pepper. And full up my plate.
That. Alright, piece of similar peel up beetroot. So today, I'm just sardine and rice. But instead of doing the rice the regular way and sardine the regular way, I cook down sardine and coconut milk, it's like a rundown style. Alright? And the rice now, instead of the rice the regular way, steam some rice. Man, putting beetroot night. Now do color low rice, pumpkin rice and anything there. Because I don't know. Anything you've been around and things for something different. Or the beetroot rice. So I use beetroot with the juice and then cook down the rice in that juice with coconut milk and I don't know onions. You know onion with scallion and everything there, you know? Make it nice same way. You do coconut milk same way, yeah man, so see it with, yeah? So when I use a lot, I use one, because I don't know, we have 4 more, but when I use so much, because you put the rice, and we out here with the body plate, same today again, no? I start using them a lot. If I'm going in a piece, look like this, so, I try to back and incorporate the body plate and thing, now cooking same way, getting official. Alright. So, get the body cut up and blend it. I don't know, I mean, show you the fire already start already. Yeah man. So the fire ready for the pot. Yeah man, ready for the pot. Alright, I'm over that one. So I get him cut up and then get him blend. So we soon back when time we them blend this and I'll put it on the fire. So remember guys, give it a like, leave a comment, share, subscribe to the Friend Boy channel, and remember say all watch your ads because that's how I make a revenue. Yeah man, so watch your ads man, so I can make a shekels. Yeah man, so soon welcome back. Man, check out Ellis Amputation, right? For all the needs. If you want to go on a trip, you can contact him. Anything. If you want to go up on a date and want somebody to carry on style, you know, AC, everything, you can contact him. Church trip, you know, you have school kids, you have school to and from, everything. So come and show you what going on. See? Inside clean. It's a nice clean ride, AC working, everything. You know, you have the curtain same way, so you have privacy. So if you don't want body to know what's going on, you can see what's going on. And see the number here to call 329-3949. Yeah, see there? Anything. Safe and reliable. That means nobody now taken away. Right? So, we don't have to jump out like some other services. Nobody not taken away. Very punctual. So, if you say 10 o'clock, at 10 o'clock. If 9 o'clock, at 9 o'clock. 9:30 or 10 o'clock. Once you buy X time, will show up on that time. So let's check out Ellis compression service. Alright. So get the beetroot strained up. I know beetroot strong no guys, I know I hold it in him. Hold it in him, so. I put it on low. Then I use some ice on the water start boil. To steam on your rice, I don't know. No, it burn up. There's a great coconut water right now. Getting some Maggi, all purpose name. Alright, I'll get you a little butter, I don't want rice. Mildly. And nice. With a skillet name to you know. Pepper, to look at flavor, see. Garlic, pepper, scallion, and castor. So guys, I'm not putting a salt as yet. So when it start boil up, I'm putting salt. I don't know the butter having like a rice. Now I'm having like a salt already. And the seed have little salt. So when they boil up and everything fuse together, we add in the salt. Yeah, so soon one time we add in the salt and the rice and all that. Yeah man, so soon come back. I'll come back so we'll get the season prep for the sardine. I don't know the rest now. No time to steam out. So soon. Rice time now. So look there. I'll get here. Rice. Shake them out. There's the beetroot rice. We should put one more nice still about it. We see it taste. So I get it. Using prep up, you know. There's the onion. I use piece of bell pepper. Then I use all of it. So that's all our season we are using now. Yeah man, so get the water through off. Get the garlic. Cut up. Alright, see what I go on there. All in again with sardine. Alright, now put more in there. No one can't eat him. So, see the coconut milk here. So I get it in my pot. Yeah, man. So I'm just going to go down. I don't know. It's the first time I dip on channel, so all day long time I do it. I go and go down. And then when it get thick, we'll throw in the sardine in it, and when sardine hot up, it's good. Yeah, so soon come back on, guys. Creamy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, well creamy. That's how I want him, so I get in the season. I'm saying, Maggi on purpose. I can put in what for the season you want. I don't know, add some old base, so I'm gonna get them yet. So my soon can nice, but I'm more nice again because old base me. Stuff mama. Depend where you come. Yeah, man. Sardine, run down. Go back. Let me take it, man. Kind of fresh. I did more for water season. And look at salt. Pinch of salt. Alright, so we're going there. With sardine. Run down and everything, so we'll get started now. So right, so guys, maybe we should add in some more of the beetroot nice so they get a more color, more red color. But you can smell the coconut milk nice strong. Alright. One like that. So, I'm see how Gwaan now. First, my piece of rice, I don't know. I never eat it before, honestly. There's no way. There's no way. I think I'm gonna say we should put more beetroot tonight. Yeah.